Welcome to IT Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create a new partition in Windows 11. Before creating new partition, we need to take a look on how much of free space is available on our system. If you could see here, I just have C drive and it has free space of 52 GBs. So depending on free space, you can decide what would be the size of your new partition. So to create the new partition, right click Windows logo, go to disk management. So as you could see, this is disk 0 that is attached to this system and it has C drive, which is the current partition. The first step that we need to do is to cut out the space that we want to use for new partition. So right click existing drive and then click on shrink volume. So now it will show you how much of maximum space you can allocate for your new partition. So here in this box you can type the amount of space that you want for your new partition and then click on shrink. And now as you could see, I have unallocated space. Now right click this unallocated space and click on new simple volume. Then click next. Then here you can type the size again. So I'll keep the size as it is and click next. Then assign drive letter for your new partition. So you can select any letter from the list. So I'll keep it as D drive and then click next. You can keep these format settings as it is and then click next and click finish. So as you could see, now it says new volume and it has assigned the letter D that we selected. So if you go to this PC, you can now see that along with C drive, we have a new partition D drive. If this information was useful to you, please subscribe to IT Tutorials. Thank you.